So I bought 3 bags of ice this time to kind of see how that's going to work out. This is 2 days later, so day before yesterday, I filled it up, and I noticed that yesterday it was already the ice had already melted on the top rows, but the water was still cold, so it was still keeping things cool as I needed them to be. And in the very bottom, there was still ice, so those items were still really cold. Another thing I noticed is I need to have some type of plan for how I'm going to be taking things in and out, okay? So doing things decent in order is going to matter. So I've already cleared off my area where I cook so I can put the shelves and things up here as I'm taking the water out of them, as well as making sure my countertop is cleared off. So I'm going to open up my cooler here. We're going to go ahead and get everything started, starting with pouring out the water. Da-da-da-da. And putting everything over to the side as I go. The water is still very cold. All right, we got our scissors here. Let's go ahead and start it up. Starting at the bottom again. Forgot to move my eggs out of the way. Let's get those right up here. Got our eggs back in. Our milk and our juice on the side over here. Right. Okay. Put this one back in. Another bag of ice here. I also wanted to kind of show you guys how long it takes me to set it up, so you're not thinking it takes so long. Because it doesn't take long at all. At all. Okay, that's the first row. Gotta get our second row in here. Remember to take your containers out of the way so you can put the ice directly in the bottom of the containers. So, oh, wait a minute. Turn at the bottom of that one. Let's get back in here our lunch meats and our strawberries and beans. Remember to put your condiments back in. Those in, put a little ice on the subject. All in all, I love it. Then we have our butter that goes on the top. Now butter's not the only thing that goes on the top, you guys. Other things can go on the top, like lunch meat and stuff like that. But right now, all I have in there is butter. That's just how I grocery shop this time. Now, cooler is done. This is just the food portion. The remainder of the ice will go into my other cooler, which just has my drinks. And it's just a little small one that I keep between the seats. Let me just put everything back. Really no problem at all. Cooler refrigeration. All right. Let's see how long these two bags. I put two full bags, 2.5 full bags in here. Okay. No, yeah, 2.5 bags I put in here. And the other half bag I'm going to put over there. And we're going to try 3 bags of ice every 2 days. All right. Let's see what happens.